Well, depending on the country you reside in, there's a chance you might have to put up with geo-restricted content or your government blocking certain websites. What if the list contains your favorite websites? It's possibly one of the worst things that could happen to you and can get really frustrating. Do you believe there's an answer? Fortunately, there is. A VPN can help you bypass any restrictions no matter where you are. And ITL Secure VPN happens to be the smartest of all. It's an all-in-one security application that provides access to restricted content from anywhere in the world, along with superfast streaming and unlimited bandwidth. In a world full of hackers and cybercriminals, when you're worried about your exposed IP address or scared that a stranger could potentially track everything you do and download online, simply turn on ITL Secure VPN and enjoy the most wanted internet freedom that you deserve. ITL Secure VPN will not just encrypt all your data, but will also help you cover your tracks by masking your IP address. There will be no geo-restrictions to prevent you from watching your favorite shows or listening to your favorite music anymore. Enjoy constantly updated privacy solutions with ITL Secure VPN. Get enhanced data security, internet anonymity, and superior bandwidth at your fingertips. Join millions of happy users in the fight against internet insecurity. Download ITL Secure VPN, a multi-platform, truly complete, and constantly updated privacy solution for Windows and Mac.